Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all what is included in my Handbag and Accessories Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we're going to dive into my Handbag and Accessories Business Plan template. I'll share with you what's included in the Word document portion as well as what's included in the financial model. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this little PowerPoint presentation that I've got prepared for y'all. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of my Handbag and Accessories Business Plan template. So what first up the bat is the Word document portion or the actual business plan template itself for the Handbag and Accessories. So once you do buy, or if you do buy my Handbag and Accessories Business Plan template, you get a Word document as well as an Excel file which contains the financial model. And when you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page. On the title page, most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of the Handbag and Accessories wording, and they're going to put their logo and then leave business plan underneath. The second page is going to be the table of contents. In order to update the table of contents, all you do is click on the table of contents, click on Update the Table, click on Update the entire table, and all your headers and all of your page numbers will update accordingly. Next segment is the executive summary, which is pretty much summarizes your business plan. In this section, you do have the summary, the target market, financial highlights, and funding requests. And anywhere where you see yellow highlights, I do recommend you take a look at that, make sure it applies to your company. Anywhere where you see parentheses around the words or the sentences, I do recommend you change those out because it's just a just a word holder. For example, company name, just put your company name there. For the financial highlights, you can go ahead and grab this information from the financial model once you update it with your information. And I do supply a separate video that goes into how to use my financial model. In the final section is funding requests, how much money you need to get this party started. And this is, again, as a summary from the business plan. The next section is going to be your company description. In the company description, I do provide y'all with a great starting point for various segments of the company description portion. I give you a summary section right here. It also goes into a popular products, gives you a starting point for those, competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation. Also give you a great starting point for a location, as well as a snippet of a strategic plan, which is under your business objectives and timeline. The next section is the industry analysis section. I do have a subscription to IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. So what I do is I go to their report for handbags and accessories, and I summarize the information that I find in there to avoid plagiarism. And I also give them credit where credit is due in the footnote. But some of the research that I've done and included in the business plan template is for revenues, profits, profit margin, businesses, employment, and wages. All this information is for the handbag and accessories industry. Next section is SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. To update the smart art, you would just click on the smart art, click on the little arrow right here, and then update the text boxes accordingly. Next section is your organizational structure. This contains two components, the ownership as well as the organizational chart. Again, anywhere in yellow, make sure you update that with your information. For the organizational chart, you just click on it, click on the out arrow, and then update the bullet points accordingly. Next section is going to be your marketing section. Typically, when I work with a handbag and accessories business owner, they are going to be marketing in 3 channels, which would be your traditional, your internet, and your social media. And I give you an excellent starting point for each one. We are now at the funding request. This is how much money do you need to get the party started. Make sure to put your dollar amount here for the funding needs, your terms for the loan, interest rates if those are needed as well. We now are at the financial projections. So the financial projections are, what you do is you update the financial model, and I'll give you just a snippet of view of the financial model in just a minute. But you update the financial model. Once you're done with that, you go to the profit and loss tab and the income statement tab, and you just copy and paste the financial statements from the financial model into the Word document. So the financial model, it's going to include your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, broken up monthly as well as quarterly. So month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, and then we'll have month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then finally our pro forma income statement. All right, so that covers the Word portion section of the business plan template. So next up is going to be our Excel file or the financial model portion. And for the final segment of my video for the Handbag and Accessories business plan template is a brief introduction to my financial model, which is in Excel, Microsoft Excel. So when you do buy the template, it does come with a Word doc as well as the Excel file. The Excel file, I do provide y'all with a tutorial on how to use it, but just a brief overview. It does come with an information page. Anywhere on this information page, you update the information in darker colored cells, and it will update your financial model. The next tab is your projections, just a summary of all your information. And from there, we have our income statement for the next 12 months, broken up monthly and quarterly. And then finally, we have our income statement. So once you update all your information in the information page, then like I said, profit and loss updates as well as your income statement. And yeah, so that's pretty much the brief overview. Yeah, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.